Hello everyone, in today's video the 8849 Shark 3, which is not just another rugged device, it's a smartphone that combines brutal durability with a top specification such as a 3K AMOLED screen, 120V fast charging and a huge 11,600 mAh battery. With the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chip and the special tools such as the night camera and the camping light, this device breaks down the boundary between a work tool and a lifestyle smartphone. The question is, can the Shark 3 really be both armored tank and a flagship in one? Be sure to check out the 8849 Shark 3 video review to learn more. Okay, let's start with the boxing. In a box with our Shark 3, of course, we got instructions, additionally tempered glass, USB Type-C cable, and what is the best, 120V ultra fast charger. Yes, beautiful. Shark 3 even comes with the TPU protective cover, which is really rare to see in the world of rugged phones. Even better protection, which we will remove for now in order to take a better look at our Shark 3. At the first glance, the phone looks like a powerful piece of hardware. It is large and robust, but still designed with a clear aesthetics that separate it from typical brick rugged phones. Instead of looking like an industrial tool, the Shark 3 has a combination of a metal frame, accentuated lines, and futuristic details. This is not a device that you will hide, but one that will attract the eye because it looks like a technological battleship. The phone has the key certifications IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810H, which means its resistance to water, dust, shocks and extreme temperatures. The feeling in hand is robust and safe. You know that this device will not break at the first blow. An additional detail worth mentioning is the infrared blaster located on the top of the phone. At a time when the most manufacturers completely ignore it, the Shark 3 offers the ability to turn your phone into a remote control for your TV, air conditioner or any other device that uses an infrared signal in your home. It may seem like a small thing, but once you get used to it, it's hard to stop. On the right side, in the steel frame, we've got only one button, the power button, which is also the fingerprint scanner. On the left side we have a lot, two small square buttons near the top for adjusting the volume, then the tray for SIM card and a memory card. Yes, the phone supports up to 2 SIM cards and a memory card up to 2TB at the same time, which is really commendable. Directly beneath these buttons, a duo of additional shortcut keys await your command. The first key, the first red one, by default activates the strong LED light from behind. Both keys can be programmed so that with them you can start certain applications or function inside the smartphone. Each of these keys can start 3 different functions with one press, long press, double press, which is a total of 6 options that you can launch with these 2 buttons. Moving on the button, hidden beneath a robust rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistant, you discover a USB Type-C charging port and a classic 3.5mm headphone jack. Very nice. Now let's shift our focus to the back of the smartphone. Here you can see this impressive camping LED light. This light can be used as a torch when you can out camping, provide ample brightness. Whether you are camping under the stars or navigation through the darkness, this light provides ample brightness, ensuring you are well equipped for any situation. However, the innovation doesn't stop here. That's not all, as the smartphone takes a step further by incorporating red and blue warning light reminiscent of those found on the police car. All at this comes with a huge selection of alarm and warning sounds. Now let's take a closer look at these impressive features in action. Moving on, above this massive LED light is impressive array of cameras. Shark 3 comes with a 50 megapixel main camera from Samsung that delivers very detailed and sharp photos even in challenging light conditions. Along with it, there is also 50 megapixel telephoto Samsung sensor with a 3 times optical zoom, which is a rarity among rugged phones and allows capturing distant details without losing quality. The 64 megapixel OmniVision night camera with the infrared sensor stands out, which literally sees in the pitch darkness and opens up completely new possibilities in conditions where the other smartphones cannot record anything. On the front there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera by OmniVision. As for videos, the Shark 3 can record 4K resolution at the 30 fps with a good dynamic range and stabilization that is solid enough for everyday shooting and vlogs. To give you a glimpse of the camera performance, check out sample photos and videos taken using this Shark 3. The biggest surprise with its Shark 3 is the screen. There is no compromise here. It is a 6.73-inch AMOLED screen with a nice resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels or 3K. That means a density of over 500 ppi, which is a level on which is impossible to see pixels. The display quality is fantastic. Colors are vivid, blacks are perfect, deep, and the HDR content looks impressive. The maximum brightness is strong enough that the screen remains readable even under bright sunlight, which is extremely important if you are using the phone in the field. In addition, there is a 120 Hz refresh rate, which brings fluidity rarely seen in rugged phones. For multimedia enthusiasts, the Shark 3 is true powerhouse, offering a stunningly large display that transforms the way you watch videos, play games, or browse through your favorite apps. The screen's size and clearly make every scene more immersive when you are streaming high-definition movies, enjoying fast-paced action games, or scrolling through content. Color appears vivid and true to life, and the overall visual experience feels expansive, almost cinematic, making even everyday media consumption feel like a premium experience. The screen is protected by cortical glass, which gives it additional resistance to scratches and impacts at the level of the top flagship phones, except that the screen comes in armor that protects it much better. The heart of the Shark 3 is the MediaTek Dimensity 8300, one of the MediaTek's latest and most powerful processors, made in 4nm process. It operates at the maximum clock speed at 3.35 GHz and uses a powerful Mali G650 GPU for graphics. In precise, that means the phone runs everything without any problems, from the made in 3D games to multitasking with multiple applications at once. But the real treat is the memory. The Shark 3 comes with 16GB of RAM, which can be expanded with the additional 16GB of virtual memory for up to total of 32GB of RAM. That's a level that was until recently reserved for laptops, and here it is on a rugged phone. In addition, the internal storage is a whopping 512GB, expandable with microSD card of up to 2TB. The result is a user experience without compromise. Apps open instantly, games run smoothly, and the phone doesn't slow down even after hours of use. The Shark 3 behaves like a flagship, but with the armor that turns into a tool for the most demanding users. The phone comes with Android 14 almost pure, without any bloatware. The user interface is fast and intuitive, and additional tools are intended for users in the field. Thanks to this powerful hardware, the interface runs smoothly and without lag, and long-term Android updates ensure that the phone will remain secure and functional for years to come. The Shark 3 brings absolutely everything you could want. It supports 5G networks, and there is also NFC for contactless payments. It especially worth highlighting the USB-C 3.0 port with DisplayPort support, which means that you can connect the phone to a monitor and use it as a computer. GPS, GLONASS, BeiDou, Galileo support for multiple satellite networks. Whether making calls, transferring mobile data, or connected to the Wi-Fi networks, the phone performs reliably without any issues. The capacity of large 11,600 mAh battery means that this is not just a phone but also a kind of power bank. With moderate use, the battery easily lasts for 3 days, and even with intensive use, navigation, recording videos, playing games, it ends the day with a lot of energy without any problems. Even more impressive is the charging, thanks to the brutal lightning-fast 120-watt fast charging that Samsung users can only dream of. Such a massive battery can go from 0 to 100% in about 1 hour. It's incredibly practical because you don't have to worry about being empty even when you only have half hour to charge. Shark 3 also supports reverse charging, so it can charge other devices. In addition to visual impression, the Shark 3 comes with certificates from that confirm all this. IP68 means it can survive immersion in water up to 1.5 meter deep for 30 minutes, while the IP69K ensures resistance to high pressure splashes, and the military standard MIL-STD 810H, and you get a device that easily withstands drops from height, vibrations, dust and extreme temperature differences. Be it at construction site, mountain desert or expedition, the Shark 3 is ready for everything. The 8849 Shark 3 isn't the phone for everyone, and that's its biggest strength. If you want a light, stylish device to wear in skinny jeans, this is not the choice for you. But if you need a phone that combines the power and the modern flagship durability and the battery that lasts for days, then the Shark 3 is hard to beat. This is not just a rugged phone, this is the ultimate survival tool that can serve as your communication center, camera, power bank and even a mini computer. So if you're impressed by these unique features and capabilities of the Shark 3, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below this video, so hurry up and get your new 8849 Shark 3 Pro today. That's all for now, thank you for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.